Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So you guys can see here that, let's go like this. You guys can see here that we are looking at the markets, and there's a stock that actually, oh, I made a big mistake. I had this and I sold this thinking I did good, and now it is going parabolic. Look at this. TNXP, Tonix Pharmaceuticals, is going parabolic, and it's hurting my soul because I sold it too soon, and I owned it and I sold it, and now it's just going to the moon. I'm not gonna go and buy it again, but like, man, maybe I should, because it's literally going up while I'm live, and I thought I'd just bring it to your attention because it's just going parabolic right now. I'm up 125%. Oh my goodness. Holy smokes, folks. The one that got away, eh? Literally sold this way too soon. Literally sold this way too soon. Man, it hurts. Q Christian Trader. I sold it too soon, bro. I sold it too soon. It hurts my soul right now. It's still going up. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, it's up 100. How am I supposed to know it's going to go up 124%? You know what I mean? Oh, it hurts the soul. It hurts the soul. I'm like begging for it to go down. And it's not going down. It's just going up. 124% now. I did take profits. I'm very happy. I did make over 1,000 US on this trade, but could have made more. And I sold too soon. And this is what I'm saying, like, as a trader, you can win, but you can always, learn from your trades, and you can always make more. And my gut told me it could go higher, but I was happy with my profits, and I didn't know it was going to go like this. I didn't know it was going to go parabolic, It's bonkers. It's crazy. ARHT's up, man. What do you mean? ARHT's huge. ARHT's going huge. Look. ARHT's going huge. Look at ARHT right here. ARHT's going huge. 25% as predicted. There we go. ARHT Media, ARHT, the video I talked about yesterday. Boom, shakalaka. What I tell you guys. It's just what we do here. But I didn't buy it because it was already up, and I was like, I didn't want to chase it. But yeah, it's killing it today. $0.80 right now in Canada. It was as high as $1. So if you guys got in and it went to $1, that was your exit strategy. Okay. Look at TNXP now starting to fall down after that huge move up. Look at that big red candle. Big sell off. The shorts see I'm live and they start attacking immediately, eh? Holy smokes. They're like, don't let Rich's picks go up. Short it. Short it. Oh my goodness. You bought some Tat and some Baby. I think those are very good picks. Check out BRZL. BRZL. I only want stocks that are on fire, man. So it better be on fire. All right. Up 37%. I like. Thank you for the pick. If we're looking at picks right now, they better be on fire because I'm looking at picks that are on fire. Okay. Full disclosure, I bought 2,000 shares of BETR. And they're up 22%. And I got into this bad boy, BETR, Better Life Pharma. BETRD in America. Full disclosure, I bought 2,000 shares of Better Life Pharma. BETRD in America, BETR in Canada. I got 2,000 shares of this bad boy today. And NXO, I actually bought this last week and I sold it today for profit. It's up 10% today. You know, that's my 10% rule, guys. You know, if it's 10% or more, I'm going to take it. And I just thought, you know, let me just take my profits. Look at TNXP. It's almost as if the shorts are just attacking it now. Literally just attacking it. Literally right when it went live and I started bringing it to you guys, it started going down. That's fine with me because I already sold it. So I'm totally good with that. But I kind of wish I waited and sold a little higher. But I mean, that's the markets, right? I could say that almost every day. So, and I think I do. Some other companies that are doing well today, meat. I brought you guys this pick over the weekend. I told you meat would be green, and it's green. How about OPK? I talked about OPK on the weekend. I told you guys it would be green, and it's green. And I bought myself some shares of OPK Health. I'm in this bad boy. I've got 1,000 shares of OPK Health. Talked about this stock over the weekend. I bought it on the dip. I got in lower than this price. I got in under $6. Bought myself 1,000 shares of VBI vaccines in the red today. Bought it on the dip. I think right now vaccine stocks are hot. So I figured, why not get 1,000 shares of this bad boy? Let's go for a ride. And I might even buy some more if it dips down. So we'll see if the shorts want to play. We'll see. We'll see. So I also like gold, guys. Kinross Gold is my #1 gold play. I've been talking about them for quite some time. Talking about them in all my top 10 videos. You could see they've gone from $4 to $11. So huge success here with Kinross Gold. And if you're into gold plays, Kinross Gold for me is one of the best. And they've performed at a very high level, extremely high level for Kinross Gold. And they're just like the gift that keeps on giving. So if you guys are looking for a gold play, I think that that's one of the better ones out there. What else, guys? Let's take a look at the community. Is there anything else that you guys like that I should be looking at? Please let me know. What's up with TAT? I think TAT is just getting started. I think TAT, you know, it's a new story, and I think it's just getting started. I think that we're going to see a lot from TAT. Yes, power. Yes, power is on fire. Captiva Verde power at 57 cents. It did hit a high today of 62. Congratulations to everybody on this move on power. As you can see, you know, we've seen it go as high as 75 right now, right around 57 cents, right around here. So big move on power. Congratulations to everybody on power. ARHT is now up 26%. Huge move on ARHT. It did hit $1 today. I brought this pick to you guys yesterday. I'm not surprised that it's gone up because my picks are on fire. And if you guys are wondering where you get my picks, if you want to know where to get access to all my picks every single day, absolutely free, richtvlive.com. Just go to Rich TV's picks and you'll see they're all here. Boom, there's ARHT, just got placed. OPK just got placed. Meat just got placed. All of them been placed since the weekend. It's just what we do. All of our picks are live and interactive, and you can scroll down and see the results. They speak for themselves. I believe we're at 95% winners right now, and that is picks that have gone up after I've done a video. This is not correct because this is actually up from this price, so this will be adjusted, and we will be at a higher percentage because this is actually up. This is not at 470. This is actually, it's peaked as high as $5. So this will be updated, and ARHT obviously will be updated as well. Meat will be updated as well. So this will get updated. So this should be around 97% if I'm not mistaken. So stay tuned, that will get updated. That's richtvlive.com. Love to have you guys go there and take a look at what we're doing. Still waiting for GRB to fire up. I think that GRB is approaching a nice buy. Lisa, you got some GRB today? Very well done. HTBX on fire. Yes, HTBX. I've been watching it all day. It's been a screamer. Man, there's a lot of the picks that we've been talking about that are on fire today. Look at HTBX today, guys. Up 40%. Great play. This is the daily chart. Like, huge move from 19 cents in March to $3.99. Unbelievable. It hit $3.99 today. What a move. It's retracted a little bit back to $3.43. But yeah, screamer. Can you say screamer? This is a screamer, folks. This is what we call a screamer. Now, I don't like to chase something after it's already run up. I like to get in early, and then when it runs up, I sell. Sometimes I get out too early. Like I got out at TNXP way too early. It hit 186, but look, it's already come back down, right? So you don't know when it's going to go up and when it's going to go down 100%. Nobody does, right? Anyone that tries to tell you they know 100% where something's going to go, run the other way. Okay. Always remember that Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. We are not licensed advisors. We do bring a lot of good picks. IBIO is another one I brought you guys that is screamed up today, up 61%. Another one that's got away. I had this at under $2. Holy smokes. It hurts. It was at $2 a week ago. You just never know with these picks, guys. It's just ridiculous. Some of these picks are just going to run. You don't know when, but they're going to run, right? So it's a pretty crazy situation. And you can see here that there's a lot of picks that are really making nice moves. And if there's anything else that are making nice moves today, I want you guys to let me know so we can look at it while we're live. The market's coming to a close. I got a couple other picks I'm going to show you guys that are on the move. Like unbelievable picks that I brought you guys actually. Shopify, look at these guys. Bam! Shopify up 8%. What a monster. Shopify is a monster. Unbelievable what these guys are doing. How about Tesla? How about Monster again? Boom, another one that I brought you guys at $300. Now it's $1,600. Tesla up almost 9%. Screaming as Tesla. Almost as much as me. Look, living in the sell zone at an 80 RSI, and they don't even care because they're a screamer. Absolute screamer for Tesla. Screamer. And what else is screaming other than Tesla? How about Amazon? You guys want to take a look at another monster? Take a look at Amazon. Boom. That's a winner. If you got 10 grand, buy 3 shares of Amazon. This is going up 7%. Invest in the best is blessed. It's true. Amazon is one of the best. Absolutely one of the best. I got mad FOMO for Amazon. Mad FOMO for Amazon. These guys are a screamer. Look at this, guys. I talked about TNXP. They're absolutely getting obliterated now. So be careful, guys. Don't go and chase something up 125%. I wouldn't advise you to do that. You don't see me doing that. I sold this today way too soon, but now it's coming down. It's actually making me feel better. It's pretty crazy how much it's coming down. So you got to understand, do not chase these things like this. You want to watch them, buy them when they're red, sell them, buy the rip and sell the dip. No, buy the dip and sell the rip. Sorry, buy the rip and sell the dip, guys. Buy the rip and sell the dip. So these are some of the stocks that are absolutely on fire that I am watching. I told you guys about Lancadia over the weekend as well. They're up 1%. It was dipping down to about 14. I was looking at it like a buying opportunity. Got as high as 14.77. Right now at 14.28. I think this is going to go way higher, folks. Way higher. Nova Gold, one of my favorite gold stocks at 8.50. I think there's a lot of upside for these guys. Look at the 1 year chart. You could see they've been as low as $4, high as 12. Now at 8. I think this bad boy goes way higher, guys. Like way higher. I think we see it go back to 12. I'm gonna make a prediction right now. I might even buy some, actually. It's interesting. I think we see it go back to 12, guys. Really do. Very one that I really like, currently at $1.70 in America. Very at $1.70 in America. It's funny. I think Modern Meat has a US symbol, actually. Let me see here. Meat. Yo, meat is screaming, guys. Just like I predicted it would. And let's go to the 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute candles on meat. And I believe they have a US symbol. There it is, SUVRF. This is the US symbol of Modern Meat. So if you want to get into plant-based foods and you're interested in Modern Meat, the US symbol is SUVRF. And look, only 3,000 shares have traded. So nobody knows about this yet, guys. So if meat explodes, SUVRF will explode. OPK, I brought it to you guys this weekend. Bam, up 7%. Screaming. Full disclosure, I am a shareholder of OPK, Opco Health. Yeah, Power's been killing it, bro. NEO is a very risky one. You know, I'd be careful with NEO. It has highs and lows. NXO, I sold my NXO today. So yeah, NXO had a nice day and I sold it. THMG. Thunder Mountain Gold at 23 cents, down 8%, traded 16,000 shares. This is very early for this gold play. I'm a shareholder of Thunder Mountain Gold. This is very early in this gold play. Nobody even knows this company even exists yet. You can see that by the volume. It's not really moving, right? But this here, meat, this is one that I think everybody needs to be aware of. SUVRF in America. Meat now at $3.99 in Canada. And this is a plant-based food stock with a very tight float. Here's NXO. It was up today. I sold. I took my profits. It's just the way I do it. You know, I don't really get too emotional. Here's meat now at $4, climbing up while we're live, now up 11%. Mogo, some guys were talking about Mogo today, MOGO, at $1.49 right now for Mogo. Up 15% for Mogo. ALYI, it's a penny stock at $0.015, up 16%. Look at the volume, 67 million shares traded hands. What else, guys? Is there anything else that you guys like that's moving? Let's take a look at the gainers. So these are some of the top gainers of the day. TNXP #1, my pick that I sold today. TNXP is the #1 gainer of the day. Isn't that great? IMRN, #2 gainer of the day, up 77%, guys. Put it on your watch list. Throw it on your radar. MJCO, up 72%. I'm adding them to my watch list right now at $13.15. IBIO, one that I brought to you guys first, screaming today. Another one that I sold, but too soon, but I made profit on it, so I can't complain. But, you know, can always, you know, regret a bad trade or a good trade that could have been better. Let's put it that way. BRQS up 50%. JE, guys, we only got minutes left in the market. JE up 50%, DPW up 44%, HTBX up 42%, ADMP up 40%, PDSB up 34%, ONTX up 31%. So a lot of trades up today, guys. A lot of trades up today, guys. In a market that isn't even that good. The market's still doing good. Because how can we be in a good market in a global pandemic? We're not past it. So if we're not past it, then how could we be doing good? That doesn't make sense to me. But at the end of the day, this is a reality. So I'm watching all of these stocks. I'm watching the market every single day, right? And, you know, we've got all these picks that we're watching on our watch list that are on our radar. And if there's anything else that you guys think that I should be adding to the watch list or adding to the radar, please let me know. Yeah, you know what? I just bring you guys picks and hopefully they just continue to rip, right? I mean, I can't guarantee where they're going to go in the market. But I can tell you where I think things are going to go and what I think is going to do well and what's hot and what's not and what's going on and what I see in the market, right? That's what I can tell you guys. Yeah, I mean, if companies that you like are dipping, that's the time to pick them up. If companies that you like are dipping, that's the time to pick them up, right? But, you know, there's so many companies that I'm watching every day. There's so many good companies out there. And the key is to position yourselves accordingly and go along for the ride. So, I mean, I got into this today. It's up 23%. You know, I might have even chased it a little bit because I really wanted to get into this because I think it's an early stage story. It's got a tight float, good share structure. It's got a Canadian and a US symbol. And I thought this could be a good, interesting story. And I got 2,000 shares, but I wouldn't mind getting 10,000 shares, right? Will I? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, right? Never say never. NXO, I sold this today. You know, felt pretty good about that. Tesla just ripping up, guys. Look at Tesla. Just ripping up. Like, this story is just unbelievable what Tesla is doing. You're talking about investing in one of the best companies in the world, and it's just going up. It's just going up. I brought you OPK yesterday. They're having a very nice day. Going into the close strong. And what else? Where's ARHT? There's ARHT. You can see ARHT right now at 78 cents. I brought you guys this pick yesterday. They're having a monster day. So congratulations to everybody on these moves in the market. If you've had a good productive day today and you've made some money, congratulations. If you haven't and you're just setting up for the future, that's good too. You know, I did a lot of that today. I sold some stocks and I bought some stocks today. Have I looked at CPIVF lately? Yes. Captiva Verde. Absolutely. It's one of my picks. CPIVF. It's been, you know, it's been doing unbelievable. Why does it come out like that? You can see power here is at 58 cents. And then the US symbol on OTC markets. I don't know why it's not showing up there on Webull. CPIVF. Oh, because it's on the gray market. So CPIVF is the symbol in America. You could see up 20%. Captiva Verde. You guys can see all my picks at richtvlive.com. Burkhan Natural Science. Yeah, you know what? I can actually like Burkhan. They're also into plant-based foods, aren't they? Oh, you got the Tesla? Nice work. Patiently waiting for MindMed and Chiron. Nice. Dylan says, got to keep eyes on Tilt. S'more investment on the way. Do your due diligence. S'more just IPO in China, and S'more and Tilt are so tight. Tilt CEO has 25-year relationship with S'more CEO. Just heads up. Hey, what's up, Robert? How you doing, brother? Infinite brought DCOP at 0.5 cent. Nice work. Well done. Robert, you sold your power today. You took your profits and run. Good work, brother. That's what we do here, right? Take profits and go, man. Sit back, get another entry point, and go in again. Keo Christian Trader says, Rich, apparently CEO of Meet, Tara Haddad, under investigation for fraud. Wow. You know what? I don't own any shares in Meet. That's the first I've heard of that. I don't know anything about it. I'll have to look into that. But thank you for sharing that. That's hectic. Yeah, if they're having issues, be careful, guys. That's the first I've even heard of that. And that is concerning, obviously. Oh, yeah. Captiva Verde is a story that's just getting started, guys. Power is a story that's just getting started. What do I think of AITX and KNOS? Well, AITX is at 2 cents. It was up 18% today, so it had a nice day. Wow, it's been as high as $1 and as low as like almost nothing. So artificial intelligence, interesting. I like artificial intelligence, obviously, so that seems interesting. KNOS. I'm going to write down your picks too, guys. AITX. AITX looks interesting right off the bat. And KNOS. Kronos, I've been looking. Wow, Kronos is at 20 cents now. Oh my goodness. KNOS has been screaming. I've been talking about this since it was at like, oh my God, I've been talking about this since it was like pennies. Jeez, unbelievable. This was under a penny in March. It's now at 20 cents, guys. We need to put this on watch for sure. Oh my goodness. I hate missing out on these moves. It makes me almost sick. When you watch something and then it just explodes when you're not watching. It hurts. It hurts my soul. Damn. I missed it, guys. I'm sorry. I've talked about it, but I never really did a video on this thing. I should. Kronos Advanced Technologies. Oh, man. Let's take a look. 499 million shares issued outstanding. That's a lot. I don't like that. Oh, air movement and purification technology. Wow. Kronos Advanced, what is this? Kronos Advanced Technologies plans shareholder meeting and to become America's first OTC public benefit corporation, citing purpose, accountability, and transparency. Kronos has committed to ensuring that the interest of consumers' well-being is in the core of its corporate operating principles, as opposed to holding profits as its one and only end goal. That's interesting. I like that. Interesting. Very, you see some of these companies' news and you see the angles that they take to put out press releases to get the stock to move. It's very interesting. Kronos Advanced Technologies Inc. launches independent sales rep program across USA. Interesting. Sales reps, 200 sales reps is going to create more revenue. This actually looks really good, guys. I just don't like the shares, but this looks like it's got a lot of power behind it. And let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. Probably 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Right off the top of my head, I'm assuming that it is, just based on the fact that it's performing at such a high level. Boom, there it is. 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. This thing is crazy, guys. This thing might keep going. We may see this go to $1, guys. Just on momentum alone, this could go to $1. This is crazy. KNOS, man. I wish I was paying more attention to this. Anyways, now we are, and definitely going to start watching this more closely because this can't miss out these opportunities. Still an early story. Do I think the MJ stocks are gaining momentum? No. Do I think AITX is good? I think it looks interesting. I'd have to research them more, but it looks interesting. Is it junk? I don't think it's junk. Well, it's a 96% sell on bar chart. They don't like them. But bar chart is a lagging indicator. So just because they say that doesn't mean that it can't go up. You can see it has gone up just recently here. So something's obviously up. Interesting. Artificial intelligence solutions. It might be something. It might be something. You might be onto something here. Wow, IBIO is still going after market. Look at this. Closed at 641. It's now at 667 and up 4%. So it's already going after market. TNXP is actually down after market a little bit, 5 cents. HTBX is still going after market, now at 372. Wow. Tesla had a monster day and they're still going after market. Look, they're still going up. Shop had a monster day, but they're actually down after market right now, a little bit, slightly. Amazon had a monster day. All the big boys had monster days. Amazon had a monster day. They're down after market, but monster day for Amazon too. OPK had a big day, up 7%, exactly like I predicted. And they're up after market as well. I'm a shareholder, full disclosure. NXOPF, NXO in Canada, NXOPF was up today. I sold my shares in NXO today. What else? What else? Modern meat. So this is meat. It was up 10% after I did my video this weekend. So meat went up after my video, OPK went up after my video, and ARHT went up after my video. And I did videos on all of them this weekend. All my videos that I did that I predicted would go up went up, by the way. So I'm happy about that. Hopefully you guys, if you took advantage of that, hopefully you took some profits. If not, then you know what? They might even go up higher even tomorrow. All right, guys, if there's any other picks you guys think I should look at, please let me know now. Otherwise, I'm going to say goodbye. I like these picks, especially KNOS. That pick looks really juicy. I've been looking at it, but I haven't really looked into it. I'm going to start looking into it because they're screaming. So obviously we need to, be on top of that. Yeah, I'll watch that, Dylan. Thank you, brother. What do I think about GRB going down 10%? Well, you know what? GRB I already took profits on. So I'm just waiting for it to find the bottom and gain momentum. And I might buy it again. So I just think it's creating a buying opportunity, but I haven't bought it because I see weakness. So once I see some momentum, I might consider positioning myself. African Amazon, JMIA. Whoa, that's African Amazon? Really? Up 22%. Thank you for the pick. African Amazon, eh? Got me interested. Was at 23, went down to 2, now back up to 9, eh? I obviously have to research this more, but on the surface, it looks interesting. Definitely climbing. There's no doubt about that. That's always a positive sign that there's people that are buying the stock. People are bullish on the stock. So obviously, I have to find out more about why. But from the outside looking in, it looks pretty good. Here's another one that I bought today, vaccines stock, VBIV, vaccines. I got in under $6, currently at 603, a little bit up after market. It got as high as 693 today, and I thought, I think it could go back there again and maybe even above, to be honest with you. I think it could go to even $10. So we'll see. Just an interesting story, and I like it. And I positioned myself in them today, and I'm already up on it a little bit. Nothing major, but it's always nice when it goes up after you buy it. OPK as well. I got in. It's up, a little bit after I got into this one. And BETR, another one I got in, and it's up since I got into this one. So I got into 3 picks today. All 3 are up since I bought it. And I sold 2 positions today. And one went down after I sold it. One went up after I sold it. So, it's always good to evaluate your results, right? And I'm always honest with myself about my results. Some days I'm going to win. Some days I'm going to lose. Some days are not going to go my way, right? But that's the market, and you're not always going to win. But the goal is for us to win more than we lose. And today I did take profits, and I did make about $1,500 today, and Canadian, and I feel good about that. So, tomorrow's another day. I positioned myself in 3 other positions, and I got some cash ready for tomorrow. And we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. ATDS, yes, ATDS. Entourage Vids. Thank you for your pick, brother. Patrick. ATDS. You called it, bro. Did you buy it? Good call on this one, man. You're a beast, bro. Did you buy it? Check this out, guys. ATDS had a nice move today. Came back down a little bit. Patrick brought this to our, to our team under 2 cents. It's now over 3 cents and made a nice move today, much higher than that. So definitely one that we should be watching. Put it on your radar, put it in your watches. Look at the volume, massive volume up today, but it was up even more. I think it's one that we need to watch, guys. Put it on your watches, put it on your radar. ATDS. Write that down, actually. Try to write down all the picks so I can keep track of all of these picks. Yeah, VBIV does look like it has some great potential. DCOP going up, up, up. DCOP. Let's take a look at DCOP. All right, guys, I got to take this call. I got to run. Nice call on DCOP. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.